Let's look at break of structure. So what is break of structure? Break of structure occurs when the candle body closes above a previous swing high or below a previous swing low, confirming a continuation of trend. A weak break alone is not valid. So you can see this structure now. You can see that this is weak. This is weak. Because it is weak, this is not a valid breakout. And you know this is an uptrend market. The market is moving in an upward direction, right? But it is not valid because there is a what? A weak. So you are to look out for candle close. The candle must close above, if it is bullish trend, for you to say this is a valid breakout. This is a valid break what? Out. So let's move to the next slide. Now you can see that this market is moving in an upward direction. It's moving in an upward direction, forming higher high, right?
Yes, sir.
And higher low. So this is a breakout. This is a breakout. And also for here, this is a what? A breakout. Look at this now. The candle closes above it, right?
Yes, sir.
The candle closes above it. The candle closes above it. That is what made it to be a valid breakout. And but here the market has changed direction. This is a breakout, but we call it change of what? Character. Change of character. Now looking at this, the market is moving in downward direction, right?
Yes, sir.
And you see there is a breakout here, breakout. There's also a breakout here, and there's a breakout here. But I said earlier that what you need to pay attention is that the candle must closes below. Why? Because this is a downtrend. But for an uptrend, the market must close above, right?
Yes, sir.
The candle must close above the zone. So because the market closed, the candle closes below, it makes it to be valid. Look at this. You don't look for weeks. If it is weak, it is not yet a breakout, or let me say it is not a valid breakout. So this is not hard. And this breakout or structure is very important because it will enable you to actually know the trend of the market. So most of the time, when identifying the trend of the market, majority of traders do not used to say, okay, the market is moving in higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. They look for breakouts. So if there's a breakout here, right,
Yes, sir.
they wait for an opportunity again to see another breakout, and see, you can see that this breakout is towards upward what? Direction. And if it is a downtrend, a breakout. So they look for the direction of that breakout, either maybe to upward direction or to downward direction. And that is how you will determine the trend of your market. So this is a sample of how it will look like on 4 hours. This is a sample of how it will look like on 4 hours. This 4 hours candle. You can see that this is the main structure, right? But those inward ones, like all these one now, they are called minor structure. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
But this minor structure, you will see it clearly in 15 minutes, even on 4 hours. So this is a valid breakout of what? Of structure. And this one is an example for a downward direction. You can see there's a breakout, right? And there's another breakout. If you are looking at this move in the downward direction. So you can see that this is a down trend. Let's identify break of structure in this chart. You can see that this is a valid break of structure because the price closes above. The candle closes above,
Yes.
right? You can also see that this is a valid breakout, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened there? The candle closes above, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can also see this one. You can see the candle closes above, and it is obvious to you that these breakouts are towards upward direction. So you can make a conclusion that this zone is in an upward trend, and it's still continuing like that. Hope you get that.
Yes, sir.
Now, I talk about change of character the other time,
Yes,
right? Now let's look for change of character. Now, if market is moving in upward direction, anytime change of character appear, you already know that the market is about to change trend direction. For example, this is what I'm talking about. This market is moving in an upward direction, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and it now move downward and break this zone, right? This zone is called CHoCH. So you'll be waiting for a retest in order for the market to continue in a downward direction. So that is that about change of character and break of structure.